Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to actually lube your bicycle chain. As you can see, my chain is pretty rusty because I have ridden in the rain quite a lot of times as I use my Dahon Vybe D7 for commuting every single day. So the chain, so this is about 6 months in, and in in about 3 months ago, I actually did lube the chain once, but I was using a I was using this 3-in-1 oil. It's not a very, how do I say, it's not a very long-lasting oil. So this time I actually bought something else. I'm gonna show you guys really quick, and then we're gonna lube the chain with that product. So what I got is a 2-in-1 bike chain care in one easy step kit. This is made by a company called White Lightning. They make all different kinds of chain lubrication things, which all of them works pretty good. But when I went to Walmart, they only had this one in stock, so this is the one I'm getting. So basically, it removes the grit and the grime, and then it lubricates the chain. So we're gonna lubricate the chain and then actually take a actual look after lubricating and see if those rust spots gets removed or not. Okay, and as you can see, pretty rusty. So always lube your chain after the rain, because if you don't, your components is gonna fail at a much faster rate. Okay, pretty simple. All you have to do is apply generous amounts of those lube, shake well, and on the chain while running the chain just a little bit, and then we're gonna wipe it dry after a couple minutes. And we're gonna do some back pedaling, and then we're gonna just apply. Okay. And I'm gonna apply from this area. It's a very, it's more of a liquid form, so very liquidy. It's like running oil. So let's shift the gear a little bit. There, give all those cassettes a nice coat of the oil as well. And at this point, I'm going to actually apply a few more drops onto the derailleur joints as well, just to make sure the derailleur is working. So I'm going to apply some over here, some on the back, and same with this little ring. Kind of hard to reach. Alright. So those parts should work nicely, hopefully. And all those joints over here as well, those pivoting points from the derailleur. I'm just trying to get whatever I can lubricated, even the cables. Alright, and some more probably in the cassette on those bolts as well to prevent rust. And continue. So far looks good. And at the same time, I'm gonna lubricate the kind of like the gap in between from the bottom bracket, just to get rid of the rust if there's any. So This thing is about $6, so not terribly expensive, and should last at least 2-3 jobs at least, I think. With all the chains lubed, I'm actually going to use this chain lube to lubricate some other joints on the bike that might be rusty or that might get rusty. So let's just do that. And the instruction says in a few minutes I need to wipe this down with a clean towel and then reapply just a thin layer one more time to ensure optimum performance. And before, when I was riding after the rain, I can hear some squeaky noise. At this point, the noise is all gone. We are going to wipe the chain clean. So I just finished cleaning up everything, wiping down excessive oils, and this is after the second coat of the oil, before the first coat was wiped clean, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, all those rust spots are gone, and look at the cassette. So the cassette is still pretty dirty because it's got lots of dust and grimes, road grimes in different tooth. So to completely clean the cassette, I have to take the wheel out, remove the cassette, and just soak it in one of those detergent liquid to get all the grimes removed. But other than that, the chain is pretty lubed, and that's the most important thing. I mean, even though it's still got some dust on the chain, it's lubed, it's not gonna rust, and it should last for a while. So that's pretty much it. That's how you lube your chain with any of those chain lubricants. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section down below. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Take care.